Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this rose gold glitter winged liner. It's quite a subtle look. From afar you can't really tell how amazing it looks, but once you get up close you can really start to appreciate the glitter and the rose gold. In this video I'm also trying out some new lashes, so that is probably a bit of a shock for you guys because I've always been using XO Beauty lashes the whole time I think that I have been doing my YouTube videos. I'm actually really happy with the way that they look and I will definitely be using them a lot more. And I also have 5 more other pairs of different styles which I will be trying out over the next couple of weeks, so you can have a look at those. And I will pop their link down below so you guys can check them out if you do like any of the styles that you see. But anyway, if you would like to see how I create this sparkly rose gold winged liner, then keep on watching. Okay, so eyebrows are done and I've got some tape beside my eye to be a template for the liner. I've also got concealer on my eyes as a base. And I've actually gone and put setting powder just on the eyelid portion there because I want that to be nude, you know, I don't want to have any colour there, so I'm just setting that bit now. And next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. Ignore the mess that is all over it. And I'm going to go in with this shade here called Incense, and I'm just going to lightly apply this to the crease just for a bit of dimension in the eye, because that is going to be the only thing that we do eyeshadow wise. So yeah, keeping it really soft and blending it out nicely. Okay, moving on now, I'm going to be taking a small eyeliner brush. This is actually just an art brush that I got from the bargain shop. And I'm going in with my Lime Crime Velvetine. This is in the shade Happi. It's a shimmery rose gold colour. This is pretty much the only kind of rose goldy shade that I have, so that's the reason why I'm using it. But if you have a regular, like non-metallic pinky shade, you can use that also. And I'm going to just be drawing on a thick winged liner. Okay, so that's the base down for the winged liner. It's kind of hard to see at the moment because it is a metallic lipstick and I've got a light shining directly on it, so it's kind of reflecting back. But once we put the glitter on, it should be more prominent. So to stick the glitter on, I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer and applying that with another small liner brush. Then the glitter that I'm going to be using is just this one here. It's just a random kind of cheap palette that I found, and I'm just going to stick that on with one of these mini eyeshadow brushes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it in segments so that the primer doesn't dry out. So I'll start with the wing and then I'll move my way in. Now it's time to remove the tape. Okay, now I'm just going to go and do my face makeup and then I'll be right back. Okay, next step now is to take that same crease colour that we put in, which is Incense, and pop that under the lower lash line to smoke it out. And I'm going to be using this angled eyeshadow brush. Next I'm going to be adding some highlight, so I'm going to be taking my trusty Lime Crime Opals highlight and going in with this shade here called Pink, using a small eyeshadow brush to apply it to my smaller highlighted areas. For my cheekbones I'll be taking this fluffy highlighting brush. On my lips I'm going to be going in with this Tartist lip paint, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. It's just a little mini that I got at Sephora as part of a little special birthday gift thing. I really like this colour. I'm kind of upset that it's only a limited edition kind of thing. So to find something similar. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is apply mascara and lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using are these ones from the Shania Rose collection, which is another New Zealand brand like XO Beauty. These are actually real cruelty-free mink lashes. They're in the style Audacious. So I'm going to put these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I'm really liking these lashes. I'll pop the link for their website down below if you're wanting to check them out. They're quite a new brand, so I'm sure they'd appreciate the support. It's a bit of a soft glam kind of look with a bit of sparkle. So it's a bit of a subtle way to add a bit of glitz and glam to your regular look. I'm really liking this lipstick too. So Tarte, please bring this out in the full size because I would definitely buy one, if not several. I'm just checking myself out in my monitor. You can also do this look in pretty much every single colour. I've already done it in blue and holographic glitter, so I'm definitely going to do some more looks with just the glitter wing because I think it's such a cool effect. The thing that I like about the rose gold is that you can't even really tell that it's there until you get up close and then you're like, wow, bam, sparkles. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look as well. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so that you get notified anytime I post a video. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next one.